Affirm is a financing company that partners with merchants to offer consumers the ability to purchase products with flexible payment options. Walmart is one of the merchants that has partnered with Affirm to offer its customers a more convenient way to pay for their purchases. When shopping at walmart.com, customers can choose Affirm as a payment option during checkout. They will be prompted to provide some personal information and answer a few eligibility questions. If approved, customers will be able to select from various payment plans that suit their budget, including splitting their purchase into several smaller payments. Affirm will pay the full amount to Walmart on behalf of the customer, and then the customer will make payments to Affirm over time. Interest rates vary depending on the payment plan selected, and there are no hidden fees or late fees.